Welcome! This is a quick start guide to building an AI agent with Google's Agent Development Kit, or ADK, using Python. Let's get started. First, let's examine our project structure. Inside our main ADK agent project, we have a folder named Agent01. This is where we'll define our agent. It contains two important Python files. We'll start with the __init.py file. Here, we have the line from.import agent. This line makes our agent.py module available when the agent01 directory is treated as a Python package. Now, let's open the main agent.py file. The first thing we do is import the necessary agent class from the Google ADK library. This class is the foundation for creating our LLM-based agent. Next, we define our agent. We create a variable named rootAgent and assign it an instance of the agent class. We configure it with a few key parameters. Model, we set this to Gemini-2.5-Flash-Light, which tells the ADK to use this specific fast and lightweight Google model. Name, we give our agent a unique name, rootAgent. Description, we provide a brief description of what the agent does. Instruction, this is the most important part. It's the system prompt that dictates the agent's behavior. We've instructed it to answer user questions to the best of your knowledge in 10 words or less. With our agent code complete, we open the terminal. We navigate to the root of our project and run the command ADK web. This starts the ADK's local web server, which automatically discovers our agent and provides a user interface for testing. You can see it's now running locally on port 8000. Let's switch to the browser and navigate to that local address. This is the ADK's development interface. It has already found our Agent01. We can open the chat window, type a question like, "Who is CR7?" and send it. The agent immediately replies, "Cristiano Ronaldo is the football player CR7, perfectly following our instruction to be concise." The ADK interface also gives us great debugging tools. We can go back to the main panel and see the trace of our conversation. We can also inspect events and sessions to understand exactly how our agent is processing information. This makes development and troubleshooting much easier. That's it. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, insights where data engineering meets AI.